The Chinese embassy in Britain expressed grave concern over and strong opposition to British Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab's wrong remarks about Hong Kong. The UK cites remark confuse right and wrong and interfere in China's internal affairs and judicial sovereignty. The Chinese side expressed its grave concerns and strong opposition, said a spokesperson in a statement. Over a recent decision to charge 47 people, this statement said the handling of this case by the Hong Kong Judicial Authority is in line with the law and brooks no distortion or discredit. China upholds the rules of law. Hong Kong is a society under the rule of law where no one is above the law. It said, noting that the 47 people in the relevant case organized, plotted and took part in last year's so-called 35 plus primary election and mutual destruction plot aimed at paralyzing the Hong Kong Special Administration Region government and pushing the city into the abyss of chaos. The Hong Kong authorities arrested and charged these people in accordance with law for suspicions of violations of the national security law for Hong Kong and subversion of state power, said the statement, noting that the law was enacted to plug the legal loophole for safeguarding national security and to provide safeguards for the democratic rights and freedom of Hong Kong citizens. The embassy said the implementation of this law marked a turning point in Hong Kong from chaos to law and order. The allegation that the national security law for Hong Kong violates the Sino-British Joint Declaration is a non-issue, the statement said. It added that the Chinese government governed the Hong Kong SAR in accordance with the Constitution of China and the basic law of the Hong Kong SAR, not the Sino-British Joint Declaration. The national security law for Hong Kong was made in accordance with the Constitution of China and its inclusion in the legal system of the Hong Kong SAR was authorized by the basic law, it said. Hong Kong affairs, the statement emphasized, are purely China's internal affair and brook no external interference in any form. It added that the Chinese government remained unwavering in its determination to safeguard its sovereignty, security, and development interests and to oppose any external interference. China urges the UK to respect the facts and the rule of law, discard its double standards and political manipulation, view the national security law for the Hong Kong SAR and the handling of the case by the relevant authority in accordance with law for an objective and fair perspective. Immediately stop meddling in Hong Kong affairs, stop interfering in China's internal affairs and judicial sovereignty, and stop going further down the wrong path, the statement said. Alright,